Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into a powerful force of nature: hurricanes. These giants are born from the sea and grow to become one of nature's most destructive phenomena. Let's uncover the mysteries surrounding these storms, from their formation to the wide-ranging impacts they have on our world. But before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our exciting content. So, what exactly is a hurricane? The simplest way to define a hurricane is to think of it as a large, swirling storm with high-speed winds that form over warm ocean waters. Hurricanes can be quite different in their size and strength, and they're known by different names in different parts of the world. You might have heard them being called typhoons or cyclones, but they're all essentially the same type of storm. Now let's delve into the science behind these powerful storms. The key ingredient for a hurricane is warm ocean water. This is the fuel that drives the storm. As this warm water evaporates, it rises and forms clouds, which creates a sort of low-pressure system. This is the beginning of a storm. But how does a storm turn into a hurricane? Well, this is where the Earth's rotation comes into play. The rotation of our planet causes the storm to spin. This spinning action, combined with the energy from the warm ocean water, helps the storm to grow and intensify. As the storm gathers more energy and spins faster, it eventually reaches a point where it can be classified as a hurricane. This is usually when the winds within the storm reach a certain speed. So in essence, a hurricane is a powerful storm that forms over warm ocean waters and is driven by the Earth's rotation. The Earth's rotation causes the storm to spin, and as it gains energy, it becomes a hurricane. Now that we know what hurricanes are, let's delve into what causes them. Hurricanes are born in the tropics, where warm waters and humid air create the perfect nursery. The essential ingredient is warm ocean water. In fact, the surface water temperature needs to be at least 26 degrees Celsius, or about 79 degrees Fahrenheit, to provide the hurricane with its fuel. This heat and moisture are the power sources for these mammoth weather events. When the air above the ocean warms, it rises, causing an area of lower air pressure below. As more air moves in to fill this space, it too is warmed and rises. This continuous cycle causes clouds to form, and these cloud formations are the very beginnings of our hurricanes. But why do hurricanes spin the way they do? Enter the Coriolis effect. This is a phenomenon that causes fluids, like air, to curve as they travel across or above the Earth's surfaces. In the northern hemisphere, this effect causes the hurricane to rotate counterclockwise, while in the southern hemisphere, it spins clockwise. The Coriolis effect is crucial to hurricane formation because it gives the storm its rotation and helps to keep the storm intact. This rotation, combined with the energy from the warm ocean water, is what propels the hurricane forward, allowing it to gain strength and size. Without this effect, hurricanes wouldn't form. Hurricanes can be incredibly destructive. With the power of 1,000 nuclear bombs, these storms are nature's fury unleashed. They bring with them a trifecta of destruction: strong winds, heavy rainfall, and storm surges. Let's start with the winds. Imagine gusts of over 100 miles per hour barreling towards your town. These winds can uproot trees, blow off roofs, and turn everyday items into dangerous projectiles. The infrastructure we rely on, like power lines and roads, can be severely impacted, leading to widespread power outages and making travel perilous, if not impossible. Then we have the rain. A hurricane can dump up to 2 feet of rain in just 24 hours. This deluge can quickly overwhelm drainage systems, leading to catastrophic flooding. Homes, businesses, and entire neighborhoods can be submerged, causing extensive property damage and displacing residents. Now, let's talk about storm surges. This is when the sea level dramatically rises due to the hurricane's winds pushing water towards the shore. These surges can cause significant coastal flooding, eroding beaches, and damaging coastal properties. As destructive as these impacts are, they're only the beginning. The aftermath of a hurricane often reveals a landscape changed beyond recognition. Communities are left to pick up the pieces, and the recovery process can be long and arduous. But the toll isn't just physical. Hurricanes can have a profound economic impact. Industries like tourism, agriculture, and fishing can be severely disrupted. Infrastructure, from roads to power grids, needs rebuilding. And let's not forget the cost of aid, cleanup, and rebuilding efforts. These expenses can run into the billions, affecting regional economies for years, if not decades. Moreover, the social fabric of communities is tested. Displacement, loss of livelihoods, and the psychological trauma of experiencing such a disaster can have long-term effects on individuals and societies. In conclusion, hurricanes are more than just storms. They're catastrophic events that can reshape landscapes and lives. Beyond the immediate physical damage, hurricanes can have long-lasting economic effects, affecting industries, infrastructure, and communities for years. Throughout history, hurricanes have left a significant mark. They are not just meteorological phenomena, but significant events that have shaped regions and influenced policy. Consider Hurricane Katrina, which struck the United States in 2005. This hurricane was one of the deadliest in U.S. history, causing over 1,000 fatalities and billions of dollars in damage. Yet, Katrina's legacy transcends its immediate impact. It highlighted the need for more effective disaster preparedness and response, leading to significant changes in how we approach these storms today. Then there's Hurricane Harvey, which hit Texas in 2017. Harvey unleashed unprecedented rainfall, leading to catastrophic flooding. The storm served as a stark reminder of the increasing intensity of hurricanes in a warming world. And who could forget Hurricane Irma? This powerful storm ripped through the Caribbean and Florida in 2017, leaving a trail of destruction in its wake. Irma's impact underscored the vulnerability of coastal communities to rising sea levels and storm surges. These hurricanes and many others have shaped our understanding of these powerful storms. They've prompted improvements in weather forecasting, emergency planning, and infrastructure design. They've also taught us about human resilience in the face of adversity. Understanding the historical significance of hurricanes teaches us valuable lessons about resilience, community preparedness, and the importance of sustainable development in vulnerable regions. In conclusion, hurricanes are a powerful natural phenomenon driven by warm ocean waters and the Earth's rotation. They are massive, swirling storms that can cause substantial damage and long-term economic impacts. Remember, they form under specific conditions, primarily warm ocean waters and the Earth's rotation, which makes them spin. They've also significantly marked our history, with notable instances like Katrina, Harvey, and Irma shaping our understanding and approach to these formidable forces of nature. If you found this journey into the world of hurricanes enlightening, go ahead and hit that like button. Share it around to spread this whirlwind of knowledge. Have any thoughts or personal experiences with hurricanes? We'd love to hear from you in the comments section. And if you haven't already, do subscribe for more fascinating insights on our channel. Until next time, stay curious.